What's up, Mooch Lifers? How's everybody doing today? It's good to see you guys again. Welcome back to the channel. If you haven't been to my channel before, please consider subscribing. My channel is Mooch Life. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell if you want to, and enjoy the vlog. We are up at our camp, as you can see. And today I just wanted to share with you guys a couple of my favorite camping tips. So just two today. The first one I want to share with you guys is how do you haul portable water to your camp. A lot of people like to camp at campgrounds. I'm on private property, and unfortunately I do not have a well, so we have to put fresh water in the freshwater tank of the camper. But today we're not going to do that because the tank is actually full already, but the camper actually needs washed. It's pretty dirty. I'll show you here real quick. We'll get up close. You can see there it's seen better days, and it's hard to clean it because once you get your camper set where you want it to be, you kind of want to leave it there. And if you don't have fresh water or well water or city water running, water connection to run to your camper, you run into an issue where if you need to get things done for it, you got to like haul it out of there. And you know, ideally if you're camping like I am and you just want this thing to stay here year round, you have to come up with some innovative solutions. So what we have here is the Pacific Hydrostar utility pump, and it flows at 25 gallons per minute. And this thing is awesome. I got it from Harbor Freight for like $70. I've had it for like 5 or 6 years. As you can tell, it's pretty beat up too. We're gonna use that and I'll show you how. But the first tip here that I wanted to share with you guys is how we haul water up. So you just go get yourself a 55-gallon drum, food grade, so that you can put water in it, nothing that's like oil and that, so it's like poison, especially if you put it in your freshwater tank. But if you find a food grade one, I picked this up for like 20 bucks at a local store. It was used, and then you haul it up. Now this is my favorite part. One of the things I wanted to emphasize about sharing with you is how you haul it here. These wheel chocks are from Harbor Freight, and they work really good for this application because they have these little handles, and that's kind of just meant so you can pick them up. But what's really nice is if you get a ratchet strap and you go to your corner up there, around through 2 chocks and around there, so kind of like a C, and ratchet it tight, and then do it opposite from that end and around to that corner and an opposite C. You can squeeze like all 4 chocks real close together. I loosened them already, but I've done this for 5 years, and 500 pounds of water is, you know, a safety hazard if it moves around in the bed of your truck. This is awesome. I've never had the water move around on me. It always stays put right where I want it. So if you guys ever wanted to know how to haul some water up, that's my method, and it works pretty well. And that's about it. There's Mrs. Mooch and Henry walking up the street. So that's that. Now we'll jump down out of the truck, and then this pump actually works well with a power washer. And it's funny because I was hesitant to use it because I was afraid, will this motor burn up if you use it? Now, from a safety perspective, just to be paranoid and not want to burn the pump up, I will unplug it if it's running too long without water being used. But if you wanted to hook a hose up to this thing and just use, you know, a regular handle or gun, it works fine, and it works good with a power washer. So today we're going to use actually our foam cannon here that I got and I did a review on a couple weeks ago on my car. We're going to use that to spray some wash and wax right on the camper. So let's hook it up and show you how it works. Got everything attached here. We got the shorter hose on the in port, and then the longer hose to the out port. We just have to hook up this hose to the power washer before we get started. And hello. Oh, hello, Team Mooch Life. Hello, Team Mooch Life. Hi, Henry. Hi, Henry. Good boy. And so we're gonna unfasten our screw on the water and we'll get it going. We have to prime this first So you have to undo this screw here and fill it with water, or else it won't start sucking. So the pump won't operate. Now I can't get that thing off easily, and I don't feel like grabbing tools, so I'm just gonna do it cheapskate method and just fill up the hose here. So step 6, like usual here on Mooch Life. There we go. See how it revved down? And you just get that in there. Hey, there it goes. All right, so it'll push out some air first. But there you go, look at that. That's hardcore. So just hook that up to the pressure washer. And there you have it. So now we got the pump to the bin. We got the pressure washer. No running water up at camp here. 2 hours from home. But we got ourselves pressure washer quality right there, guys. So I was gonna do one panel at a time, at a time. Sorry, my voice, lost my voice a little bit. All right, now let's hook up the foam cannon. Get our handy brush. And it's nice because this soap is wash and wax. It's meant for cars, but use it on your trailer. And it's awesome because it cleans it. And when you squirt it off, it's already got a thin layer of wax on it. Not the best layer of wax, but a little layer of wax. And it's kind of nice. Protect your camper. Another tip too, I like to remind people of when you're doing your vehicles or your RV or whatever, try not to wash things in direct sunlight. This soap, you know, when you spray it on there, especially with the foam cannon, you cover the whole vehicle or whole section at a time, and the sun will dry it so fast, it'll leave watermarks and soap stains right on your stuff because the sun dries stuff quicker, obviously. So right now it's like 6:30, 6:45 at night. Got some trees up there. Sun's starting to think about setting here in about an hour. So it's perfect time for me to get in here and do this because I don't have to worry about the sun. And I'm just gonna show you this one panel here. and then I'll just clean the rest of the camper myself. But it's pretty awesome that I got a whole like cleaning mechanism in place when I'm 2 hours away from the closest running water source. So hope you guys enjoyed that. If it's useful for you, let me know in the comments, or if you have a different variant of how you supply yourselves at your camps with fresh water when it's not available, well, let me know. I feel like this is a good method. Might be better ones out there. So also, if you didn't check out my last video, took the Silverado there and I pulled a tree down. It was kind of funny. You might want to check it out up on the screen somewhere there. All right, I think we scrubbed enough. Let's see what happens when we rinse it off. Like to rinse and scrub from the top down. Because the dirt will run downwards. All right. No water up here, but we made it happen. Look how clean that panel looks, guys. Look at it. Oh yeah, it's like a brand new camper. Now compare it to this side, where weather has had its way. It's kind of gross, and it's hard to get up here and clean it all the time. You know, life gets busy. But when you do have time and you don't have water, this is a great way to do it. Get yourself a 55-gallon drum, get yourself the Harbor Freight water pump and a pressure washer. The only thing you need at your camp is electric to run your pump. If you don't have electric, then you're gonna need a generator first. So it's, if you have electric, 1, 2, 3. If you don't, 1, 2, 3, generator. And that's how you clean your camper. I'm gonna tackle the rest of this over the next day. You guys don't need to see that. Thank you so much for watching Mooch Life. If you like camping videos, if you like car videos, big Chevrolet fanboy over here, do a variety of stuff on my channel. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. And thanks for watching Mooch Life. Peace out.